Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about shapes. You must be noticing various shapes in your house, in your school, and even going to many places. If you see, actually, what is shape? Shape is like the form of the object. You see, no, this is a circular. This is a circular. If you see the wall clock, it is a circular shape. If you see a television, if you see something other things like your textbook, if you see your slate, so everything is having a different shape. So we'll call it, we will study actually about shapes. So shape is what actually? So shape is like, it is a form of the object which is defined like it is the boundary of the object. It may be a line, it may be a point, it may be a curve or something like that. So we will discuss in detail, we will study in detail. So let us share my this thing PowerPoint presentation so we can understand that. Okay. So like it is introduction, in this chapter we will explore the exciting world of shapes that surrounds us in the building and even nature. From a pencil box to the tallest towers, everything is made up of different shapes. But have you ever thought about what makes a cube different from a cylinder, or how a circle is made? So let us understand the shapes. So we are going to learn the following things in this chapter, like which are like shapes or figures or objects that have a specific form of or outline. They can be flat 2D or 2-dimensional, or have a volume 3-dimensional. So shapes are everywhere around us and help us describe the world. Like in the world or around us, different things are there, or different shapes. 2D shape, like 2-dimensional shape. There are 2 dimensions only, maybe length and width. Example of 2D shapes or example of 2D shapes like in your class you can see circle, round shape with no corners or edges, like a coin, and you see any square also you can see any square for equal sides and 4 digits angles. A classboard square, a chessboard square, rectangle, your blackboard, and so many things. They have 2 sides only. And if you see a 3D means 3 dimensions. They are having 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions are there. So in those cases, it has many edges also. So you can, example is like you can say is a perfectly cylinder. You can see a cylinder. You can see a soccer ball. So there, if you see a cone, a rectangular prism, so many faces are there, and there are many dimensions are also there, more than 2. So there are 3 dimensions actually. So it is 3 dimensions, like bricks. It is around us, bricks which used for making your houses. So it is, brick is also a 3-dimension thing. Anything is having 3 sides, 3 dimensions, which is like you can see it from the front, you can see it from the top, you can see from the side. It is a 3-dimensional thing. Whereas for 2D shapes, there are only 2 sides are there, length and width. And even like circle also, if you see your clock, wall clock, it is also a 2-dimension thing, because there are only 2 dimensions. There is no other third thing you cannot see from the side. Rectangle represent rectangular things are 2-dimensional things. 3D you can see various things. Cylinder is there, prism is there. Okay, you can see your pizza. When you go to the restaurant, pizza, you can eat pizza. So pizza is there. Pizza you can see, if it is a like a thick pizza, so it is a good thing. It is a 3-dimension thing. If you eat roti is 2-dimension. So there are various dimensions. It is this like thing you can, and everything like this world is made of various types of things of various shapes. Even you walk on the road, you see the buildings are there beside you. So their shapes are different. If you go to school, you open your writing book, you see it is a rectangular. It is a rectangular shape if you see your blackboard. So things are there, but many shapes are there around you. Shape is very important you should understand. what are the shapes are there. Okay, thank you very much. In the next class we study more about this. तो गया चल इसको